Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Today we're talking about toy haulers. Toy haulers are trailers or RVs that can haul all your favorite toys, from cars to dirt bikes to four-wheelers to side-by-sides and even golf carts. Golf carts are one of the most popular things that campers are taking with them now on all of their trips. Of course, what you haul depends upon the garage size. The really cool thing, garage size come in lengths from roughly 8 foot up to 20 foot when you look at buying a toy hauler. Toy haulers can be practically any type of unit, from a travel trailer, a fifth wheel, or a motorhome, and they come in varying lengths from as small as 20 foot up to as long as 50 foot. So it gives you that great versatility to be able to haul any toy that you want. They also give versatility to work in. We know a lot of insurance adjusters, for example, buy toy haulers and put an office in the back. Toy haulers have a ramp on the back of their unit that you can load your toys with. That ramp can also double as a party deck. So when you want to haul your toy, you simply drop your back ramp and pull the toy right in the back. If you want to use it as a party deck, you simply lower the back ramp, make it level. Some come with cables that hold that ramp in place. Some you need to put decks under the back. But the really cool thing is, party deck options come with a railing that you can wrap all the way around, which makes it safe for smaller children, people like that, to be able to use it. But not only do people haul toys with toy haulers, a lot of people specifically buy a toy hauler for the party deck application. Some toy haulers have a side party deck as well. You're thinking, what's the application? You pull the unit in from you pull your toy in from the side. No, it's just simply to be a party deck. So it gives you a really cool area where you can walk out of the interior of your coach on a really great summer day. You always have an awning that goes out over top of it, and you can enjoy the outside as well with that side party deck. There are trailers available that have minimal living quarters that are all the way up to 90-95% garage when you're looking at toy haulers. A great example is the Stealth Nomad. Again, it's mainly, think of it as the toy hauler and very little living space in it for those people that want to haul even more toys. So to conclude, the main use of toy haulers is to haul small vehicles, all your toys that you want, right, from golf carts to motorcycles, side-by-sides, four-wheelers, and they come in a variety of garage lengths, which gives you great versatility on what toys you want to haul and how many. They also come in all unit types. That means you can get a toy hauler in a motorhome, a travel trailer, a fifth wheel. They always have a ramp on the back so you can quickly and easily load your toys or cargo or whatever it is that you're taking. All of those ramps can double as a party deck. So again, you get increased living space right outside a door with a railing around it for safety purposes. But the really cool thing is, toy haulers can be used for things other than simply hauling toys. As always, thank you for watching. Please call us if you have additional questions about toy haulers at 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page, and please follow us on Facebook.